Let me show you how I got that hairstyle. I did it myself. So firstly, we will put aside our baby hairs so it won't get caught up in our cane rows. I have also pre-sectioned it already. So what I did was 2 cane rows in front with a slash parting. And then I got a simple comb, guys. Just use a comb, whatever is suitable for you. Make sure the comb is sharp, pointed, and start parting. So guys, make sure your parting is slant and not straight. So I'm just showing you the products I use in my hair before I braid my hair down and stuff. These oils I would definitely recommend. It did grow my hair a lot. So for gel, we are going with our red one. I feel like this gives me a good grip with my hair, and I use it a lot, so it's like finishing. So we're just gonna paste it in every single part and make sure our part is straight. So as you can see, we are trying to perfect the parting using our red one and placing it in every part and going over it with the comb. We are continuing our same process to the next cane row, but just be mindful when parting you want to start it off really thin, just to give it a feed-in look, but it's not feeding that we're doing, guys. So gradually, the cane rows will get smaller as we go down to the ends. With continuing step by step, it does get repetitive, so I'm just going to speed it up a little for you guys. Don't be afraid to take your little breaks in between, guys. So guys, we want to move on to the other section. So what we're going to do is section it in half, because we're doing this piece by piece, guys, taking how sharp this part looks. We are continuing with the same pattern, the same size of the cane, guys. Please be mindful, you don't want two sides of your head looking different. So yeah, I will also speed this up. y'all can't tell me I didn't eat that up. I'm so proud of myself, yo. I did that. Okay, so now we're going to start with the back of the hair. We want to make a keynote around the hair as like a crown, so when we start to weave, our weave can drop properly around our head. Okay, and then for the middle section, we'll just part it straight down in keynotes, guys. Snack break, you know, we have to have our snack break. So yeah, so this is how it looks. So guys, this is the hair that I used. If you know, you know. This is Linda. The color is 1B. I will definitely recommend you purchasing 2 packs, guys, because 2 packs did my hairstyle. So this is the quality. I will say this is very, you know, nice. It has a little shine to it, but not doing too much. I have my little curved needle ready to perform. So guys, after threading the needle, you wanna put a little knot at the end. This is for making sure that your thread does not come out, you know, once you sew in your weave. So what I'm doing is making sure the back is flat, because I did make a knot. After trying to tuck in my hair, you go over it and like sew it down to the head so it can be a little more flat. Please remember to knot at the end of every thread. So after the second layer of weave, what you want to do is just flip the weave and continue to sew on top of the previous one. Okay, I literally used up everything I have, all the packs. And the other thing was so sweaty because it was okay, it was a lot, but I did it myself. And I think it looks okay. What do you guys think? I think it looks okay. Basically what I do is like flip it with the crochet and just like flip it over the pad, but it's not needed. I put so thick that you're not even seeing like what really going on. Like, you see, I just love a new look. I love trying new things. If you know me, this ain't nothing new. Okay, go ahead. Don't put it on this side. You just like, like, you know, like this. Put some on this side. Whatever, you guys. Whatever is what I put all up. But, small baby, yes. Okay, you know, when we give a little makeup look and we dress up, you know, a little uplift the vibes. But I think I did okay. It was okay. So guys, if you want to see me style this hairstyle and dress it up with like a puppet, let's do this. So guys, let's see the transition of this look. Like, bro, I am obsessed. I am obsessed. Like, I'm truly obsessed with this look. My goodness. I ate that. We ate that.